If you're thinking of quitting content creation, I need you to pause for a moment and watch this video. Listen, life as a content creator may look easy, but it's not. Some days it feels like you're doing everything right, but nothing is moving. You show up, you try, you tweak, you pray, you post, you hope, and somehow it feels like you're running in circles. I know that feeling. When you wonder if you're wasting your time, the thoughts that maybe you're too late, too slow, or even too inconsistent. But here's something you might not realize, that growth doesn't always look like growth at the time. Sometimes it looks like silence, like trying again, like learning in the dark before anyone claps for you. Let me tell you, the people you admire, they didn't blow up because they were perfect. They kept showing up on days when their videos flopped, when their ideas felt small, when their confidence cracked a little. They kept going because they believed that even in the quiet seasons, they were building something. And I need you to understand that you're not failing and you're not behind. You are in your building season and you're becoming. So don't quit. Do you know why? Because you owe yourself the chance to see what your life could become if you stayed a little longer. Listen, you don't need to go viral to matter. You don't need everyone to applaud for you to feel like you have been called. Let me tell you, if God placed this desire in you, He will breathe on it. Your job is to keep showing up with faith and effort. His job is to multiply it. And I assure you, if I know anything about God, is the fact that He will. So take a deep breath, rest and reset if you have to, and start again or keep moving. It's not easy, I know, but you're building a version of you that doesn't quit. One day, this season will make sense and you'll be grateful you didn't give up. So keep going. You are closer than you think. I'll see you in the next one. Remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.